are, you change from a very casual short that I see you at Tweet Suite. Do not go anywhere, my friend.
So for this first look, we're going to get a very soft beach look. You want to brush your hair with a vent brush. I have a vent brush. You want to brush the back very nicely, so you're free from tangle. Hold your hair into a ponytail and twist it. Get a barrette, a clip, and just clip, and there you have your first summer beach look. Very easy if you're going out for lunch, if you're going out for evening, you can spread your hair the way you want. Bring the leftover to the front, and this will give you a bangs. And just arrange your hair just the way you are, your heart desire. You can utilize some hairspray and make a little bit more messy by using some hairspray and crunch a little bit, just to give him this little soft, not so quite stiff beach look. And there you are. So that's the second look. You have two looks from this one. We are going to put a soft, very pretty ivory barrette in the back. And this give you another look. Very pretty for an evening. With this ivory, 100%, these earrings are 100% ivory. So we're going to go for, we got two looks out of the first one, and now there's going to be the third look. You're going to take your hair and just twist it. And with the clip, just clip just like that, and you can leave the rest of your hair done. That gives you a fourth look. Very nice, very pretty for an evening, very pretty for summer beach look. You want to brush your hair, brush just the end, because you want that volume. You're going to twist and twist and twist onto the side like you were going to do a ponytail, and twist and twist and twist, and wrap around to the other side and secure with the clip. And then you have your fifth look that gives you this beautiful soft beach look. Now if you want to get the really beautiful loose curl, very loose, you could twist your hair like this, just the end, just twist it, keep on twisting it until you have no hair left and you're satisfied with the curve that you have. Then you're going to take the hairspray and spray and just leave it. This leaves you with a beautiful, loose, large spiral curl. And then you can turn this into a braiding. You want to keep everything very, very, very loose to give you this nice, beautiful summer look. Keep on braiding. And tuck it in. There you have another look. Spread a little bit, loosen up a little bit onto the side, and you can use this to give you an additional look. We call the princess braiding look. Very pretty for summer. You want to put some silver. Give a little more shimmering in here. And there you are ready. This is a very nice for a beach look, a bit casual, a bit stylish, a bit elegant, but it will go from day to afternoon to evening. Very soft. Yes, my friend, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and do not forget to subscribe to see more video from me, and don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what would you like to see next. This is Chantal, au revoir, merci, and this is the beach look for summer. À bientôt!